How'd the workout go?
It was really good. It was tough though.
And you came back in one piece?
I did, yeah, barely. I haven't sweat like that in a long time.
Right there. Okay.
Hey Fidelity, how can I remember to invest every month?
I'm gonna have you arch your back
With the
backwards for
Fidelity
me.
app, you can choose a
relax.
schedule and set up recurring
Arch again.
investments in stocks and
relax.
ETFs.
Alright, we're gonna be working on a new bone today, L5.
You got this.
If you recall, L5 is typically where someone will have back surgery.
You will
It's the
find
last
out
cushion
where
to
you
support
left
our
off.
entire body.
Investing involves risk, including risk.
Let me skip forward just a bit. I told Sydney, I think I saw you saw the second coming of Christ after I adjusted your neck.
Oh my gosh, it was phenomenal.
One Venture X card, you earn unlimited double miles on everything you
Lift
buy.
up this arm.
Plus, you get premium benefits.
We're working on C1.
When you book on Capital One.
Brainstem goes right
And
through
with
this
Venture X,
bone. You
you
can
have
lower.
access to over 1,000 airport lounges worldwide. Open up a world of travel possibilities with the Capital One Venture X
Right,
card.
fall over that
What's
way.
in your wallet?
Terms apply. Lounge access is subject to change. See CapitalOne.com for details.
There you go. Right over here. Let's go towards me just a little bit right there. There we go. Over here, perfect. Okay, we got one more. Oh yeah. CJ,
It's phenomenal.
you're healthier than you were a minute ago.
Yeah, I am. Whew. Appreciate it.
Every day?
Feels great.